Yeah, so guys, I want to show you guys something now. Yeah, you see that life you've been dreaming of living, right? That life you wish you could live. There are people already living that life. Imagine living here. Imagine living here. It's when I say these people are living in absolute paradise, you guys thought I was joking, right? Those are people's houses, and just about 10 meters away is the Indian Ocean coastline. So that life you are dreaming of living, people are already living that life here, peacefully, with very little money, in no stress, not having to work 9 to 5 and answering to somebody. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Just look at it. Just look at it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. This is a very, see, every plant here is edible. Everything. That's the papaya. That's the papaya. Everything here is edible. Palm trees, coconut, palm trees, coconut. Every single thing here is edible. Tell me the last time you saw an edible tree in your country of residence. Just take a look at that. It's beautiful. And those are people live here. It's amazing. Okay, so that's a mango tree. Mango tree right there. So I'm on this deserted road. Tomorrow I will attach the camera to the windscreen of my vehicle. That is the car I rented. I'll be using it for the duration of time I'll be here. So tomorrow I will attach the camera to the vehicle and tour the island to really show you guys what the island looks like. It's amazing. It is a fucking paradise. And I seriously hope these people know and appreciate where they live. For real, I'm in the crack house. Like, there's a papaya, there's a pawpaw tree right in the middle of the bush. Tell me the last time you saw that in your country of 9 to 5. I'll see you guys later, yeah.